हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी दुनिया। तो दोस्तों, आज इस वीडियो में हम ज्योग्राफी इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करेंगे जो आने वाले सभी एग्ज़ाम के लिए अति महत्वपूर्ण है। तो चलो आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच इज द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी, राजस्थान। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स डज नॉट हैव ए रेलवे स्टेशन? Which one of the following states does not have a railway station? Right answer option B, Meghalaya. Next question, which one of the following is not a desert district of Rajasthan? Right answer option A, Kota. Next question, which one of the following is a coastal district of Tamil Nadu? Which one of the following is a coastal district of Tamil Nadu? Right answer option B, Kanyakumari. Next question, the state which have developed wind energy is? The state which have developed wind energy is? Right answer option A, Gujarat. Next question, in which state the percentage of Christian population is highest? In which state the percentage of Christian population is highest? Right answer option B, Kerala. Next question, which of the following state is the most famous for its beautiful sea beaches? Right answer option B, Goa. Next question, maximum number of sugar factories are located in? Maximum number of sugar factories are located in? Right answer option A, Uttar Pradesh. Next question, the largest union territory of India is? The largest union territory of India is? Right answer option C, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next question, which state of India shows the lowest population as per census 2011? Lowest population as per census 2011. Right answer option D, Sikkim. Next question, as per 2011 census data, the overall sex ratio in the country is? Right answer option B, 940. Next question, the study of population is called? The study of population is called? Right answer option C, demography. Next question, density of population shows? Right answer option D, man land ratio. Next question, the highly populated city in India? The highly populated city in India? Right answer option C, Mumbai. Next question, in which state is the literacy rate of women is the highest? Right answer option A, Kerala. Next question, sex ratio is calculated as? Right answer option C. Number of females per 1,000 males in a country. Next question. Which state in India has the largest coastline? Which state in India has the largest coastline? Right answer option C. Gujarat. Next question. At Barren Island, the only active volcano in India is situated in. Right answer option A. Andaman Island. Next question. Which state of India is leading in solar energy generation? Right answer option B. Rajasthan. Next question. Which is called the Lake District of India? Lake District of India. Right answer option A. Nainital, Uttarakhand. Next question. Which of the following state is surrounded by Bangladesh from three sides? Which of the following state is surrounded by Bangladesh from three sides? Right answer option D. Tripura. Next question. Which of the following state has the lowest literacy rate? Which of the following state has the lowest literacy rate? Right answer option C. Bihar. Next question. Which state has the longest coastline? Right answer option C. Gujarat. Next question. Where is the headquarters of Botanical Survey of India? Right answer Kolkata. Next question. Where is Indian Institute of Petroleum located? Right answer option C. Dehradun. Next question. Which cities were first connected by the STD service? Right answer option D. Kanpur and Lucknow. Next question. Which city is referred to as the Silicon Valley of India? Right answer option D. Bangalore. Next question. Who was the first Indian woman to scale Mount Everest? Right answer option A. Bachendri Pal. Next question. Where is the National Chemical Laboratory located? Right answer option C. Pune. Next question. The present name of Kamrupa. The present name of Kamrupa is. Right answer option A. Assam. Next question. Which one of the following is known as the Pearl City? Right answer option D. Hyderabad. Pearl City. Next question. The famous tourist center Mahabalipuram is located near. Mahabalipuram. Right answer option C. Chennai. Next question. The first salt-based integrated steel plant in the country is. Right answer option C, Visakhapatnam. Next question. Who are the creator of the famous rock garden of Chandigarh? Famous rock garden of Chandigarh. Right answer option D, Nek Chand. Right answer option D. Next question. The atomic power station in Rajasthan is situated at. Right answer option C, Rawatbhata. Next question. The Wheeler Island has been renamed as. Right answer option C, Abdul Kalam Island. Right answer option C, Abdul Kalam Island in Odisha. Next question. Where is the Island of Man located? Right answer option A, between Northern Ireland and England. Next question. Where are most of the Earth's active volcanoes concentrated? Most of active volcanoes. Right answer option B, Pacific Ocean. Next question. Where is Lake Superior, the largest freshwater lake in the world, located? Right answer option A, USA. Next question. What is the longest mountain range in the world above sea level? Longest mountain range. Right answer option A, Andes Mountains. Next question. Colorado in USA is famous for this landform. Right answer option A, Grand Canyon. Next question. Where is ground zero? Where is ground zero? Right answer option B, Newark. Next question. Which two countries are connected by an underwater tunnel? Right answer option D, France and England. Next question. The deepest trench of the world, the Mariana Trench, is located in the. Right answer option D, Pacific Ocean. Next question. Which one of the following is the highest gravity dam in the world? Highest gravity dam in the world. Right answer option C, Bhakra Dam. Next question. Black forests are found in. Right answer option B, Germany. Next question. The largest island in the world is Greenland. It is an integral part of. Right answer option C, Denmark. Next question. Suez Canal connects. Right answer option B. Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Next question. Which from the following is a landlocked sea? Landlocked sea. Right answer option D. Aral Sea. Landlocked sea. Next question. Which one of the following is called Ring of Fire? Ring of Fire. Right answer option A. Circum-Pacific Belt. Next question. Great Barrier Reef of Australia is located parallel to. Right answer East Coast. Next question. Sunda Strait lies between. Right answer option C. Java and Sumatra. Next question. The Strait of Gibraltar is situated in the. The Strait of Gibraltar is situated in the. Right answer option A. Iberian Peninsula. Next question. Source of river Nile is. Source of river Nile is. Right answer option B. Lake Victoria. Next question. Which one of the following is the longest river in the world? Longest river in the world. Right answer option C. Nile River. Next question. Which one of the following is the largest lake in the world? Largest lake in the world. Right answer option B. Caspian Sea. Next question. In geography, Gulf Stream refers to. Right answer option A. A warm ocean current. Gulf Stream refers to a warm ocean current. Next question. The Strait of Gibraltar provides entry into the. The Strait of Gibraltar provides entry into the. Right answer option D. Atlantic Ocean. Next question. The Chinese river known as Yellow River is. Right answer option A. Huangho. Next question. Fishing grounds of the world are found in area where. Right answer option B. Warm and cold currents meet. Fishing ground. Next question. Which is the largest existing mangrove forest in the world? Right answer option C. Sundarbans. Next question. Dead Sea is called so because. Dead Sea is called so because. Right answer option B. It does not support any aquatic life. It does not support any aquatic life. Next question. The Panama Canal links. The Panama Canal links. Right answer option A. Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. Next question. The largest delta of the world is the largest delta. Right answer option A. Sundarbans. Next question. The world's largest island is right answer option C. Greenland. Next question. The temperate grassland of South America are called. Right answer option B. Pampas grassland. Next question. The largest coral reef in the world is found near which coast? Right answer option B. Australia. Next question. The longest river of Europe is Right answer option D. Volga. Next question. Asia and North America are separated by. Right answer option C. Bering Strait. Right answer option C. Next question. The Grand Canyon is on the river. Right answer option A. Colorado. Next question. Grassland is called pampas in. Right answer option B. South America. Next question. Which is the hottest place on earth? Right answer option B. Algeria, Libya. Next question. Sunda Trench is in. Right answer option A. Indian Ocean. Next question. Llanos are the grassland of Llanos. Right answer option D. Chile. Next question. About how much of the world's land area is tropical rainforest? Right answer option B. 7%. Next question. Which one of the following is the world's largest desert? Right answer option C. Sahara. Next question. Sahara is located in which part of Africa? Right answer option C. Northern part.